Oh, here we go, folks. Got something. Just hooked another nice one. He's getting caught on the ice. Get him in the hole. Oh, it's pretty thick, the ice, eh? Where is he? Oh, it's a nice speck. A nice one. What, dude? He is really nice, don't he? There you go. Oh, look at this. Oh, did you see that? Just look at him go. Turned right around and took off. I hope I don't lose him now. That's a nice one, too. Let's see. Hey, I don't think he wants to come back in his hole anytime quick now. Look at him go. Fighter, what a scrapper, eh? Watch this. Get his head up here again. As he knows now. He doesn't want his head up in the hole now. Come on, don't get off. He's going all around the hole. Oh, I hope this doesn't get caught on there. Come on, buddy. Look at this. Yes. Come on. Yeah! Oh, look at that beauty! Wow. I gotta hold him up. Going out, I'll get him out of here before he falls off and just down the hole. That's where you need me over here. Look at that, folks. A beautiful speckled trout out of a new lake that we found. Actually, we went to go to this beauty lake and we went and found this other lake here. So this is our first time here. And we're going to get back and see if we can catch some more of these beauties. Because look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's get back at her. And I'll take a couple pictures of it.